In today's video, I'm going to review Happy Mammoth Complete Gut Repair. Happy Mammoth Complete Gut Repair is a supplement designed to support gut health, aid digestion, and promote overall wellness. It helps relieve occasional digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and irregularity, while also supporting healthy collagen levels, skin, hair, and nails. The product is easy to use, just 1 scoop daily mixed in water, smoothies, or other cold liquids, with an optional second scoop for those who exercise regularly. Many users on Amazon have shared positive experiences, noting improvements in digestion, gut comfort, and the pleasant taste. Some highlighted gradual relief from bloating and better bowel movements, while others appreciated the smooth texture and vanilla flavor. A few users mentioned limited or slower results and found the product pricey, but overall, customers praised its quality and effectiveness. Now let's take a look at the pricing, pros and cons. The price of 1 jar is around $69.99, though buying in bundles or via subscription can lower the cost. On the positive side, it supports gut health with probiotics, prebiotics, and collagen. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the downside, it is more expensive compared to similar products, and results vary between users, so it may not be effective for everyone. Overall, Happy Mammoth Complete Gut Repair is a legitimate supplement that works for many users, though individual results may vary. It is not a scam. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.